Lubrication of the Ultrapro TX Air handpiece motor and nose cone is necessary to keep all the moving parts running properly. Oil also helps flush debris out of the motor and prevent buildup or wear and tear. After sterilizing, place 2 drops of handpiece oil into the motor air tube and 1 to 2 drops of oil into both ends of the nose cone. Run the motor for several seconds to properly disperse the oil. Apply 1 drop of oil to the O-ring once per week to keep the nose cone swiveling smoothly. Motors coated with debris may not work consistently or may lose power when pressure is applied to the motor. To prevent debris inside the motor, service your air compressor and air hoses regularly. Always check that your compressed air is filtered, dry, and free of oil. When properly cared for, your motor will provide years of quality service.